Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best phone mounts for bicycles that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Lamicall motorcycle bike phone mount, a solid option for riders who love to document their journeys. Its standout feature is its no-blot camera design, which lets you capture photos and videos while cycling without obstruction. The 1-second lock and release mechanism is incredibly convenient. It allows you to secure your phone quickly and release it in a flash. Perfect for those on the go. The mount also includes reinforced clamps and silicone padding that ensure your phone stays secure even on rough terrain. When it comes to design, this mount feels sturdy and well-built, weighing 7.7 ounces. The black finish gives it a sleek and professional look. It supports phones ranging from 4.7 to 7 inches, making it compatible with a wide variety of devices, including the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The handlebar clip fits diameters between 0.59 and 1.57 inches, which covers most bikes, strollers, and even treadmills. Performance-wise, the 360-degree adjustable ensures ensures optimal visibility, whether you prefer portrait or landscape mode. While this product shines in terms of usability and camera-friendly features, it's ranked at number 5 due to its limited customer reviews compared to other options on this list. It's ideal for cyclists who prioritize recording their rides, but may not offer the same level of innovation as higher-ranked products. Pros include its photography-friendly design and ease of use, while cons are its slightly heavier build and fewer user ratings. At number 4, we have the 2025 new upgraded bike phone holder, Handlebar, from Penetri. This mount excels in effortless installation, boasting a unique twist-to-secure mechanism that takes just 3 seconds to lock onto your handlebar. It's designed to simplify your cycling experience, making it a great choice for users who dislike fiddly setups. This mount also stands out for its superior shock absorption, thanks to ripple silicone padding on all corners and the rear. Whether you're riding on rugged trails or tackling city streets, your phone stays protected from scratches and vibrations. The design accommodates larger phones and cases, supporting devices with screen sizes between 4.7 and 7.2 inches. It features a 360-degree swivel ball joint for easy customization of viewing angles in both portrait and landscape orientations. The handlebar compatibility ranges from 0.59 to 1.18 inches in diameter, making it versatile for various bike types, including ATVs and electric scooters. Additionally, its unobstructed operation ensures you can access facial recognition, cameras, and charging ports without hassle. While this mount packs impressive features, it ranks at number 4 because its handlebar compatibility is slightly narrower compared to other models. It's perfect for riders who value simplicity in installation and need a mount that accommodates larger phones. Pros include its ease of installation and rugged design, while cons are its slightly narrower handlebar compatibility and heavier weight at 6.7 ounces. Coming in at number 3 is the LISEN bike phone holder, a mount designed for ultimate stability and incredibly simple installation. If you're tired of mounts requiring tiny tools and multiple steps, LISEN has you covered. Installation takes just 5 seconds, thanks to its embedded silicone base. No additional tools necessary. This mount is ultra-secure, with an all-around locking mechanism that keeps your phone firmly in place, even on high-speed or bumpy roads. The design features 4 non-slip silicone cushions and back padding that fully protect your device from scratches and vibration. It accommodates phones between 4.5 and 7 inches with a thickness up to 20 millimeters, making it one of the most versatile options on this list. The handlebar compatibility ranges from 0.6 to 1.57 inches, making it suitable for bikes, scooters, and motorcycles. At just 3.53 ounces, it's lightweight and won't add unnecessary bulk to your setup. While this product excels in simplicity and stability, It ranks at number 3 because it lacks some advanced features like camera functionality or one-handed operation seen in higher-ranked products. It's an excellent choice for riders who prioritize ease of use and rugged performance. Pros include its quick installation process and lightweight design, while cons are its lack of camera-friendly features and slightly limited adjustability. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Lamicall motorcycle phone mount holder, which combines practicality with camera-friendly features. Its half-enclosure design ensures your phone's camera isn't blocked, enabling you to capture photos and videos during your ride. Perfect for adventurers or vloggers. The 1-second lock and release system makes installation and removal a breeze, while its reinforced handlebar clip ensures your phone stays secure even on bumpy terrain. This mount supports phones between 4.7 and 7 inches, such as the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The handlebar diameter compatibility ranges from 0.59 to 1.57 inches, fitting various bikes, strollers, and even treadmills. The rubber padding on the phone clip prevents scratches and enhances grip, while the 360 degrees rotation feature allows you to adjust your viewing angles seamlessly. Though this mount offers a great balance of features, it's ranked at number 2 because it doesn't stand out as much in terms of ease of installation compared to the LISEN mount. It's ideal for riders who want camera-friendly functionality and reliable performance. Pros include its photo-friendly design and sturdy build, while cons are its slightly larger size and less intuitive installation process compared to the top pick. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Lamicall bike phone holder, a mount that sets the standard for versatility, durability, and ease of use. This product features a unique corner-gripping design that keeps your phone securely in place, even on bumpy roads. The silicone pads provide excellent shock absorption and prevent scratches, making it a fantastic choice for riders who prioritize device safety. The red locking switch on the back adds an extra layer of security, making accidental phone drops virtually impossible. This mount is compatible with devices ranging from 4.7 to 6.8 inches and can handle phone cases up to 0.59 inches thick. It fits handlebar diameters between 0.59 and 1.57 inches, making it suitable for a variety of setups, including bicycles, motorcycles, strollers, and even shopping carts. The 360-degree adjustable design allows you to switch between portrait and landscape modes effortlessly, ensuring clear visibility for GPS navigation. Installation is tool-free, with silicone pads that can be adjusted based on handlebar size. What earns this mount the top spot is its combination of robust design, wide compatibility, and sheer ease of use. It's perfect for riders who want a reliable, all-around performer with unbeatable security. Pros include its sturdy design, shock-proof padding, and universal compatibility, while cons are its slightly larger size and heavier weight at 7 ounces. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you had any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.